Yes, hello students. In the previous video, I had explained you regarding what is a relation, how to find domain, range and codomain of a relation. Two examples I had explained you. The most important examples are there from the exercise number 2.2. So whatever examples I'm going to complete it, I think I'm going to complete the whole exercise number 2.2. Until this, you will be having for your examination. Okay. So the first example, if you see, they have given one set with the elements 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A they have defined. And what is the relation defined as x comma y, where 3x minus y is equal to 0. And x and y both should belong to A. What you have to write? You have to write domain, codomain and range of that equation. So now the relation between y and x, what they have given, y is equal to 3x they have given. If you see this, what it is, 3x minus y is equal to 0. So y ikkade kalsidra, y is equal to 3x. The relation between x and y, what they have given, y is equal to 3x. So first I write the relation R now with the elements. X comma y ordered pair olaga baribeku. First element I take it from x, that is A, 1. Then what will be y? 3 into 1, 3. Second I take the element 2. Next element from the set, 2. 2 3s are 6. Next I take 3. 3 3s are 9. Next I take 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay. Next if you take 5. 5 3s are 15. But 15 is not present in your set. Only these are the relation elements. Because they have given x and y both should belong to A. If you take x is equal to 5. Yes, it belongs to A. But y is equal to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3 into 5, it is 15. 15 ನಿಮ್ set ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore, only these elements you are going to write. So first thing what you have to write? You have to write domain of the relation. Okay. So domain andre enande nana set of all first elements 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is your domain. Range. So range is what? Set of all second elements 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. Next, codomain means what I had told you. ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ A to B ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರವ, A to B ಒಂದು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಹೋಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ B ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತದ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನೀವು, ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ A to A. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ A to A. ಸೊ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ A will be your codomain. So what will be your codomain? 1, 2, 3 up to 14. Clear? So this is the first example of exercise number 2.2. So I'll move to the second example now. Define a relation R on a set of natural numbers. Okay, x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to what? X plus 5. X is a natural number less than 4. X and y both belongs to n they have given. Define this relationship using roster form. Roster form andre enilla, the same thing, just you are going to write the relation. Write down its domain and range. Okay. So x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5. ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, now I have to write the relation R here. Okay, first natural number. X is a natural number less than 4 they have given. Okay, first natural number is 1. Okay, y ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು 1 plus 5, 6. Next element I take 2. 2 plus 5, 7. Next element I take 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So this itself is a relation in roster form. So after 3 I cannot take because x is a natural number less than 4 they have given. Only 1, 2, 3 are the natural numbers less than 4. So y baribekas simultaneously y heng baritiri relation already defined madara. X ನೀವು 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 plus 5 6 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 plus 5 7. 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 plus 5 8. Okay. So they have also told you to find domain. So domain will be equal to all the set of first elements 1, 2 and 3. Range will be equal to what? Set of all second elements. So it is equal to 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Hope it is clear. So this is second example. Next, the third example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, B is equal to 4, 6, 9. They have given you two sets here. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation from A to B. You have to write the relation. But they have not given this in terms of Y is equal to. But they have given one thing. The difference between X and Y is a odd number. X ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು A ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು Y ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು B ಸೆಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x, y ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ x you have to take the element from A and y you have to take the element from B such that difference between these two should be a odd number. It may be a negative or positive, no issues, but it should be what? A odd number. So just you have to write the relation here. No need of writing any domain or range. So R is equal to. I take 1, check with 4. 1, 4. If I write, the difference between these two. 1 minus 4 is minus 3 or 4 minus 1 is 3. Yes, 3 is a odd number. Next, 1 with 6 I check. Yes, 1, 6. The difference between 1 and 6 is how much? 1 minus 6 is 5. Or minus 5. Again it is a odd number. 5 is a odd number. 1 and 9 if you check. 1 minus 9 is 8. 8 is not a odd number. 8 odd number alla. So 1, 9 order paid ನೀವು ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Next 2. 2, 4 check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 2, 4 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 4 minus 2, 2. 2 is a even number ಆಯ್ತು. So you cannot take that. 2, 6 if you take. Again 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 is again a even number. You cannot take. Next check 2 with 9. 2, 9. Yes. 9 minus 2 is 7. 7 is a odd number. Next check with 3. 3, 4. Yes. It is difference is 1. Again 1 is odd number. 3, 6. Yes, again. 3 and 6. Difference between 3 and 6 is 3. 3 is a odd number. 3 and 9 you cannot take because 9 minus 3 is 6. It is not a odd number. Next I check with 5. 5, 4. Yes, 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 is a odd number. Next 5 with 6. Yes. Again 5 minus 6 is minus 1. It is a odd number. 5 and 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 is a even number. You cannot take. So these are the ordered pair of numbers where the difference between x and y is what? It is a odd number. Okay. X element you are taking from A and y element you are taking from B. Okay. I hope it is clear. The third example, very simple one. Next we'll move to the fourth one. So in the fourth one, they have given you one diagram here. What is the diagram? P and Q, and in P there are 3 elements 5, 6, 7, and in Q they are having 3, 4 and 5. So 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. So they have not given you directly the relation, but you have to write the relation in both roster form as well as in set builder form. You have to write the domain as well as range for this. First I write it in set builder form. X comma y. This itself ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತರನ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ, you can see here the difference between x and y is odd. Okay, here also it is given x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 5, where x is a natural number. This is all what relations in set builder form only. Okay, so here x comma y such that you can see here the difference between this 5 minus 2 is 3, 6 minus 2 is 4, 7 minus 2 is 5. If you see the diagram here what you can see, 5 minus 2 it is 3, 6 minus 2 it is 4, 7 minus 2 it is 5. So if you take this as x and this as y, then what you can write, y is equal to x minus 2. Correct? So y element means what? First I take 3. 3 is equal to 5 minus 2. 4. 4 is equal to 6 minus 2. Then 5. 5 is equal to 7 minus 2. Okay. Y is equal to x minus 2 such that x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. Because the sets given are what? P and Q. This is the relation in what? Set builder form. So next, if you want to write it in roster form, it is very simple again. You have to write first P elements 5 with 3. ಯಾವ ತರ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 6 with 4 and 7 with 5. This is roster form. Clear? For which element it is related, that itself you have to write 5 with 3, 6 with 4, 7 with 5. Next you have to write the domain and range. So domain is set of all first elements. So domain will be equal to 5, 6, 7. Range will be equal to what? 3, 4 and 5. Okay, it is clear? Next, fifth example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So there are a few elements defined here. Let R be a relation on A. Okay, it is a relation on R. R is a relation which is defined on the set A such that it is a ordered pair A comma B. X comma Y na kodbekantilla. It may be given in any form. So here it is given A comma B such that A and B both will belong to the set A. B is exactly divisible by A. So relation ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, B is exactly divisible by A. So first I have to write the relation R. In roster form means the given relation itself you are going to write. So 1, 2. 2 by 1 is exactly divisible. First I take 1, 1. 1 is dividing 1. Next 1, 2. 2 divided by 1 is exactly divisible. 1, 3. 1, 4 and 1, 6 because 1 divides every number. Okay. Next 2. 2, 2 I can take because 2 divided by 2 is 2. 2, 4 I can take because 4 divided by 2 is again 2. Next 2, 6 I can take. Idu A, idu B eddanga. 6 divided by 2 is how much? 3. It is exactly divisible. Next I take with 3. 3, 3 I can take because 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3, 6 ತಗೋಬಹುದು ನಾನು. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. It is exactly divisible. Okay. Next 4, 4 I can take and 6, 6 I can take. So these are the numbers which are in the form where B is exactly divisible by A. ಇದು B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ exactly divisible ಆಗಬೇಕು. Clear? 4, 6 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ because 6 divided by 4 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 by 2 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. It is not exactly divisible. Clear? So these are the elements 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 with 4, 1, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 4, 4, 4 and 6, 6. So domain they have asked, domain of R will be equal to what? The set of first elements, do not repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Range of R will be equal to what? Again, set of all 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay. So this is fifth example. Next, sixth example, determine the domain and range of the relation R, okay, given by R is equal to x comma x plus 5. So what they have given, R is equal to x comma x plus 5. So idana nimge ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, x elements ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So you have to just write the domain and range of this. So domain range ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ first ಈ relation R ನ define ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So first x 0 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ, because x elements ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಅವರು 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All these elements you have to take. So first take 0. 0 plus 5 will be 0. Next, take the element 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Next, take the element 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Next, take the element 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Next, take the element 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Next, take the element 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, these are the elements of the relation R. So 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 1, 1 plus 5, 6, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. So domain of this R, relation R will be equal to what? Set of all first elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Range will be equal to what? Set of all second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set of all second elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is sixth example. Seventh and eighth example are simple. So first let me discuss the seventh one. Write relation R is equal to x comma x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10. So what they have given, x element, it is a prime number less than 10. Which are the prime numbers less than 10? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers less than 10. So if you take R, it will be equal to first 2. 2 raised to 3 is 8. Next 3 if you take. 3 raised to 3 is how much? 27. Next 4. 4 raised to 3, 64. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 5 tagotin. 5 raised to 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. So this is your relation R. ಬಹಳ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಅದ. 2 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 8 ಆದ. 3 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 27. 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 64. 5 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 5 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 125. Next, let A is equal to x, y, z, B is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. First relation ಬರದ್ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. R is equal to x with 1, x with 2, y with 1, y with 2, z comma 1 and z comma 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ordered pair you are getting. So you get 2 raised to 6 number of relations. Okay, Cartesian product are same. It is having 3 elements. This is having 2 elements. 3 into 2 is equal to how much? 6. If you want the number of relations, then take 2 raised to the number of ordered pair. How many ordered pair are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 raised to 6 is equal to, will be the number of relations. 2 raised to 6 is, I think, 64. So 64 relations you get. Okay. This is 7th and 8th example. Last 9th one. Let R be a relation defined on Z. Z is what? Set of all integers. So it is given by R is equal to A comma B such that A minus B is an integer. Both A and B belongs to Z they have given. So domain is what? They have told you to write domain. Domain is Z, that is set of integers. Domain andre A nimdu, range andre B ಆಗ್ತದ. So A is what? It is belonging to Z. Therefore your domain is set of integers. What about range? Range again B is belonging to where? Kellada B. B is also in Z. B is also set of integers. Okay. So all these 9 examples whatever I have explained you today for from exercise number 2.2 then exercise number 2.1 will be also included for your first quarterly test. Thank you.